Imagine two 22-year-olds named Ryan and Alex. Both earn exactly $55,000 a year, and both have a $500 monthly budget to invest. Ryan wants to get rich fast, so he actively hunts for the next breakout tech stocks, crypto cycles, and risky growth plays. Alex takes a completely different path. He chooses a boring, broad market index fund and automates the whole thing. In 30 years, one of them will have a multi-million-dollar portfolio built on less than 2 hours of total effort per year. The other will have spent thousands of hours staring at stressful charts, only to finish with less money than they started with. I know how that sounds, like lazy advice meant to keep you safe. Let me earn it. The truth is that the real wealth-building secret for people in their 20s is not about beating the stock market. It is all about structural velocity and automated systems. Think of it like a speedboat versus a massive cargo ship. Ryan is piloting a high-speed boat that requires constant steering, refueling, and dodging rough waves. Alex is riding a huge cargo ship that moves slowly at first but possesses completely unstoppable momentum. The entire outcome of this 30-year experiment is actually dictated by one single mathematical metric: the friction coefficient. This metric measures exactly how much of your wealth is quietly lost over time to human behavior, hidden platform fees, and unnecessary taxes. By the time they turn 25, it looks like Ryan's high-speed strategy is winning by a mile. He hits a massive 40% return on a trendy new tech stock he found online. Suddenly, he is experiencing huge social proof. He brags about his big wins with his friends at dinner, posts his green screens on social media, and feels like an absolute financial genius. He believes he has cracked the code to beating the system. Meanwhile, Alex's broad market index fund returns a very boring 8%. On paper, his portfolio looks completely unimpressive, and his balance barely seems to move at all. He has no exciting stories to share at parties, and his friends think his strategy is too slow. But this early stage is nothing more than a dangerous optical illusion. A major psychological trap is being set. Ryan's early luck gives him positive reinforcement, making him feel invincible and tempting him to take even bigger, riskier bets with his savings. On the other side, Alex has to endure the painful emotional friction of feeling left behind. He must watch his friends celebrate big short-term gains while he stays disciplined, trusting the quiet, invisible power of his automated cargo ship. To see the truth, we have to look past the surface and break down the actual math underneath Ryan's active strategy. While Ryan celebrates his 40% gain, his frequent trading triggers a hidden problem: short-term capital gains taxes. Because he holds his assets for less than a year, the government takes a massive bite out of his profits at ordinary income rates. On top of that, every single trade he makes includes hidden platform fee spreads that quietly chip away at his money. Then there is the hidden time tax. Ryan spends at least 10 hours every week reading corporate reports, watching financial news channels, and tracking market charts late into the night. If you take his total dollar profits and divide them by the hundreds of hours he spent working on it, his actual hourly wage as an active investor is shockingly low. He has essentially created a stressful second job for himself. When you subtract the taxes, the fees, and the value of his wasted time, Ryan's impressive gross returns dwindle down to a razor-thin net margin. Meanwhile, Alex's automated index fund operates with a near-zero expense ratio. Alex has spent 0 hours managing his portfolio, lost $0 to short-term trading taxes, and let his money compound in total peace. Ryan is running as fast as he can just to stay in place, while Alex's cargo ship quietly gains ground. By the time they turn 32, both portfolios are finally approaching the critical $100,000 milestone. This is where the long-term game changes completely. Just as they hit this point, a standard economic downturn strikes the market. Because Ryan owns a concentrated portfolio of highly volatile stocks, his account value suddenly plummets by 45%. Fear takes over, causing him to make a massive behavioral timing error. Terrified of losing everything, Ryan sells all his remaining shares right at the absolute bottom of the market just to preserve his capital. Alex's automated index fund drops during the downturn too, but his reality is completely different. Because his portfolio is deeply diversified across hundreds of the biggest companies, he does not panic. In fact, he does not even look at the charts. His automated system keeps running in the background, quietly buying more index shares at a massive discount every single month. The fundamental quality of Alex's assets remains perfectly intact, setting his cargo ship up for an explosive financial recovery when the market inevitably bounces back. Ryan is left sitting on the sidelines with permanent cash losses, while Alex's automated compounding engine is primed to surge further ahead than ever before. To fully understand why their paths separate so drastically, we have to look at the single most powerful force affecting long-term wealth: tax drag. Ryan does not realize it, but he has a silent business partner watching his every move: the government. Because Ryan constantly rotates his assets and sells stocks to chase the next big trend, he is continually triggering short-term capital gains taxes. This means his investment profits are hit with heavy ordinary income tax brackets year after year, taking a massive bite out of his growth before it can even compound. Contrast this with the structural setup of Alex's automated strategy. Broad market index funds are built to hold companies for the long term, which naturally limits internal turnover and prevents constant tax bills. Furthermore, Alex utilizes a tax-advantaged account. This simple choice allows his dividends and capital gains to reinvest and compound entirely tax-free for decades. The mathematical reality of this difference is staggering. A seemingly small 1.5% annual drag from active trading taxes and platform fees might not look like much on a napkin. However, when compounded over 20 or 30 years, that tiny leak acts like a permanent anchor on Ryan's wealth. It quietly steals hundreds of thousands of dollars from his final balance, while Alex's money grows completely unimpeded. By the time they reach age 52, the compounding curves have completely separated, revealing the final destination of their choices. Alex's automated, low-cost index fund strategy has ballooned into a multi-million-dollar nest egg. Because he let his money sit undisturbed on that massive cargo ship, compounding did all the heavy lifting for him. Ryan's portfolio tells a completely different story. Broken down by decades of heavy fee drag, bad behavioral timing errors during market crashes, and constant tax leakage, his total wealth sits at just a small fraction of Alex's balance. The cost of constantly chasing financial hype turned out to be incredibly expensive. The biggest difference, however, is the lifestyle dividend. Alex spent his 20s and 30s entirely focused on his actual career growth, enjoying his hobbies and living his life in peace. His wealth grew automatically in the background. Ryan, on the other side, sacrificed thousands of hours to pure stress, late-night market anxiety, and constant worry, only to heavily underperform the simple market baseline. Alex bought his ultimate freedom with zero effort, while Ryan paid a massive personal price for a much smaller reward. To be completely fair, we have to look at the hard truths and limitations of index fund investing. The reality is that this strategy is incredibly boring. It will never give you a 500% return overnight, and you will never get rich in a single week. It requires a massive amount of patience, which can be very difficult to maintain when everyone around you is bragging about the newest hot asset. There is also a brutal volatility reality you have to accept. As an index investor, you must be willing to watch your entire net worth drop by 30 or 40% during severe economic recessions without doing anything to stop it. True discipline means keeping your hands completely off the steering wheel, trusting the system, even when the financial news tells you the world is ending. Active investing only makes sense in one very narrow scenario: If you truly love the thrill of picking individual stocks, you should only do it using a tiny, segregated bucket of play money. This bucket must be under 5% of your total net worth, and you should only use it after your main index foundation is completely safe and secure. Treating the stock market like a casino is fine for a tiny fraction of your money, but the rest of your wealth belongs in a proven, automated machine. Now let us translate all of this math into an actionable, step-by-step priority list for your personal financial system. The very first step is to capture any employer retirement match immediately. If your company offers a matching program for your retirement account, this is a 100% risk-free return on your money. Leaving that match on the table is literally turning away free cash that can jumpstart your early compounding process. The second step is to automate a fixed percentage of every single paycheck directly into low-cost, broad market index funds on day one. Do not wait until the end of the month to see what money you have left over to invest. Set up your system so the money moves automatically the moment your paycheck hits your account. By making this choice completely invisible, you remove the daily willpower required to save money. The final step is to establish a strict numerical rule to completely ignore financial hype cycles and market media noise. Decide right now that you will not change your investment plan based on random internet trends or scary news headlines. When you replace emotional guessing with a rigid numerical hierarchy, you protect your portfolio from your own human behavior and keep your cargo ship moving perfectly on course. To wrap everything up, it is time to take a close look at your own financial plan. I challenge you to run the Guru Friction Calculator on your current investment strategy today. This simple audit will show you exactly how much money you are losing right now to hidden platform fees, active trading taxes, or idle cash just sitting around doing nothing. Seeing those real numbers can be an eye-opening experience that changes how you view wealth. If you want to fix those leaks, you can use the special tools inside the Digital Wealth Vault. These tools are designed to help you completely automate your asset allocation models and calculate your true wealth velocity without any stressful guesswork. It takes the hard work out of the equation so your money can grow quietly in the background, just like Alex's cargo ship did. Ultimately, building long-term wealth comes down to one fundamental choice. Are you building a portfolio that constantly requires you to manage it, or are you building a structural system that manages your wealth for you?